Someone in my comment section asked me not too long ago, hey, can you do a video at the Chicago Southland Lincoln Oasis? And now I actually have mixed in this Oasis with a couple Michiana related videos in the past. You can look at my playlist for my toll roads and service plazas if you want to check them out. But hey, since they requested it, here you go, a dedicated video. The reason I haven't done anything here recently is thankfully I haven't had anything to report. It still stands. Coming back from my short Michiana trip, and well, I'm hungry, so let's vlog a lunch. Some of our options we have include McDonald's, Sbarro, one of the favorites. We have our visitor center for the Chicago Southland. Keep in mind we just crossed over from Indiana, so it kind of serves as a welcome center. As you can see though, we do have a lot of closed stores, which is definitely concerning. But definitely no news about this place closing down, similar to Lake Forest. The Wireless Planet closed down. We have this little piece on the Lincoln Highway. Hey, the purple minion over there. Yeah, these are definitely a little old. Despicable Me 3. Really want that poster. That's definitely aged a bit. Yeah, you are down to 4 Oases now. Belvidere, DeKalb, Lake Forest, and Lincoln. As you can tell, it's the outer ones. Decent amount of brochures here. Even one for Wisconsin Dells. Been there, done that. Don't think I'm going back there anymore this year. Over here we have Panda Express, Subway, and Dunkin' Donuts. But there you go. Here's your Chicago Southland Lincoln Oasis. The closed up shops are a little concerning to me, but I'm starting to think that the Starbucks, which is this one, and the one over there, which is Dairy Queen, are closed down at all the locations. This is looking eastbound towards Indiana. And westbound towards Illinois and Iowa. we are awaiting our ham and cheese crepe. Took a while, but we finally got it. Our ham and cheese crepe. All right, now I have had this before. Not sure if I flawed it, but it is good. Very cheesy. It's a good little Michiana trip. These are huge crepes, though. I'll tell you. I usually can't finish them. A tradition since I was a kid, eaten by the windows. Now, back in the day, this used to be just a Burger King. But I don't have that many memories of this place. Usually when we were passing by, we were on our way to West Virginia and would stop at the first service plaza on the Indiana Toll Road, the Hardees. But the one fuzzy memory that I have of this place is a big arcade on some elevated platform. Did that exist? Did I just make that up in my mind? I need your help. I tried to find pictures of this place. I can't find any. Just one outdoor picture. But I would love to hear from you if you have any pictures or memories of this oasis pre the early 2000s renovation. Please tell me, am I nuts? Was there like a big arcade here? Really, if you had any pictures or videos of any of the oases before the 2000s renovations, please let me know. Comment below, contact me through Facebook or Instagram. I would love to hear from you and especially see those pictures. And so, to the guy who requested a video from the Chicago Southland Lincoln Oasis, here you go. I hope you enjoyed it. I will try and find your comment and reply so you know it's up here. And thank you for watching.